Yeah, sige po. Good morning, everyone. I'm Joyce Daviola, the Program Manager of East West Seed Foundation. At East West Seed Foundation, we work for food security and better family nutrition through sharing of knowledge on vegetable production and its nutritive value. Yun, ang mga ginagawa po namin sa East West Seed Foundation is sharing of knowledge. We have the Vegiscuela program. We have Vegiscuela on-site, Vegiscuela bootcamp, and Vegiscuela online. No? It's an online platform in establishing or teaching others to plant home, school, and community gardening. We also have this Gulayamanan, a sustainable livelihood program that reaches out for community who has no livelihood or who has no job. And this is an opportunity for them to have their own livelihood and to improve not only the nutrition but the economic profitability of the family.
Sa health, anong po yung extent ng health na binibigay niyo? How does the program work?
We work with, yeah.
Gulayamanan. Okay, naman kayo, sabi ko lang po, napakamahal ng bilan.
Yes. And we really wanted to create awareness to make fresh vegetables available and accessible. We usually partner, the way we operate, we partner with other organizations, like-minded organizations that will co-fund for our programs, and that's where we share our knowledge once we have the partners or partners with same advocacy.
Parang like both barangay o LGU partner.
Yes po. Once na meron na po kaming partner organization, namimili po sila ng area and the beneficiaries. So ito po ay call ng aming partners, and we also made an agreement kung sino yung magiging partner. So, through our Vegiscuela and other programs.
Just in case, if ever na others are parang connect with you, saan po sila pwede mag-call, website, email?
If you want to connect with us, if you want to partner with us, you can visit our website, you can visit our social media pages, our East West Seed Foundation FB page, and Oh My Gulay for more information and other details.